Agreements contain valuable data for any business. Regardless of the size of the business, agreements are undeniably important and ubiquitous. In today's world, business users work with a multitude of disconnected systems and processes that include manual work. And that's a big problem because data is trapped in these agreements or scattered in too many systems, making it really hard to get meaningful insights from static files, wasting precious time and effort. We are happy to introduce 3 new Docusign Developer Platform services: Maestro, App Center, and Navigator. It's built to support businesses throughout the agreement process by using powerful Docusign capabilities and by leveraging AI to provide meaningful and actionable insights. Docusign Maestro includes a no-code workflow designer tool that can be used to create automated workflows that helps streamline and accelerate processes. A Maestro workflow can be created with multiple steps. For example, you can collect student enrollment data using a web form, which can then be verified using ID verification. You can install a Data I/O app from the App Center to retrieve data from a third-party system, verify data, sign, and archive to your favorite cloud server. This is just one example. You can create many more permutations using the various Docusign products and extension types we support. The workflow that you just created can be triggered using a URL or via Maestro API from any web application, email, or iPaaS provider of your choice. Next, Docusign Navigator is a smart repository built specifically for agreements. Powered by AI, Navigator enables you to store and analyze every agreement in your Docusign account. This will help unlock the data trapped in your agreements and provide useful and actionable insights. Finally, let's look at extension apps. Did you know that the Docusign platform is extensible? What this means is you can bring third-party capabilities right within Docusign. Extension apps can be published to the App Center for use by Docusign customers, or they can be built simply for use by your company. Now, let me tell you how you can build an extension app. Let's take a closer look. The first step to build an extension app is to get your Docusign developer account. Sign up if you haven't already. The Docusign developer account is completely free to use for testing in the demo sandbox environment. Next, log into the developer console and follow the steps in the documentation to create an extension app of your choice using a JSON manifest file. Please remember that the JSON contract must match what you see in our documentation. Once you're done, test the app to ensure that it works as expected. And then, submit your app for review and publish it to the App Center once it's approved. With that, more than 1.5 million customers can discover and install your apps into their workflows and completely transform their agreement processes. What are you waiting for? Let's build the future together.